Home security is a top priority for Gilbert homeowners. With the city's blend of serene neighborhoods and bustling suburban life, ensuring your home is protected is more critical than ever. One of the most effective yet often overlooked methods of boosting home security is door replacement. The doors of your home serve as the first line of defense, and upgrading them can provide unparalleled benefits in safety, energy efficiency, and overall peace of mind. The importance of a strong door in home security. Doors are more than mere entryways. They are barriers that shield your home and loved ones from potential intruders. A worn-out or outdated door can be a significant security risk. Cracks, warping, or deteriorating materials provide weak points that can be easily exploited by burglars. In Gilbert's warm climate, older wooden doors can suffer from weather-related wear and tear. Over time, extreme heat and dryness can cause doors to warp, compromising their structural integrity. Additionally, many older doors are fitted with outdated locks and hardware, which are easier to bypass with modern burglary techniques. Replacing an old or damaged door with a high-quality, modern alternative ensures that your home is equipped with a robust first line of defense. With advanced materials and security features, newer doors make it exponentially more difficult for intruders to breach your home. Advanced materials for superior security. Modern doors are crafted from materials designed to withstand force, wear, and environmental damage. Here are some popular options that homeowners in Gilbert should consider. Steel doors. Known for their exceptional strength, steel doors are nearly impossible to break or kick down. They are also resistant to warping, making them ideal for Gilbert's climate. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors combine durability with versatility. They mimic the look of wood while offering greater resistance to impact and weather damage. Solid wood doors. While traditional, solid wood doors still provide excellent security when properly maintained and paired with reinforced locks. Each of these materials offers distinct advantages, but all can significantly enhance the safety and durability of your home's entry points. Enhanced locking mechanism. Door replacement often comes with an upgrade in locking mechanisms. Modern doors are typically pre-installed with advanced locks that are more resistant to picking, bumping, and drilling. Some options include deadbolt locks. High-quality deadbolts are essential for any secure door. Look for Grade 1 deadbolts, which provide the highest level of security. Smart locks. These electronic locks allow for keyless entry and can be controlled via smartphones or voice assistants. Many models include tamper alerts and remote monitoring. Multi-point locks. Found on many modern doors, multi-point locking systems secure the door at multiple points along the frame, making it nearly impossible to pry open. Investing in a new door with these features not only improves security but also adds convenience and peace of mind. Reinforced door frames and hinges. A door is only as strong as its frame and hinges. When replacing a door, it's essential to reinforce these components to maximize security. Modern door replacements often come with steel-reinforced frames that can withstand forceful impacts. Additionally, heavy-duty hinges with secure screws help prevent doors from being removed or tampered with. For Gilbert homeowners concerned about extreme weather or forced entry, storm doors and reinforced glass panels offer additional layers of protection without sacrificing aesthetics. Aesthetic appeal and added value. While security is the primary motivation for door replacement, modern doors also enhance your home's curb appeal and value. High-quality doors come in a variety of styles and finishes that complement your home's architecture. For Gilbert homeowners, a well-designed door not only improves safety but also adds to the property's visual appeal and resale value. Energy efficiency and noise reduction. Beyond security, replacing your door can improve energy efficiency and reduce noise pollution. Many modern doors are designed with insulation features that keep your home cooler during Gilbert's hot summers and quieter during busy hours. This added benefit makes door replacement a worthwhile investment for both safety and comfort. Final thoughts. For Gilbert homeowners, door replacement is an investment in safety, convenience, and style. By choosing modern doors crafted from durable materials and equipped with advanced locking systems, you can significantly enhance your home's security. Whether you're upgrading to protect your family, add value to your property, or enjoy greater peace of mind, replacing your doors is a practical and effective step toward a safer home. Take the time to assess your current doors and explore replacement options. Partner with a trusted local provider who understands Gilbert's unique climate and security concerns. With the right choice, you'll not only fortify your home but also create a welcoming, stylish entryway that lasts for years to come.